Welcome back, guys. I know it's been a long time, but it's your boy JSmooth. I'm bringing you guys a hair tutorial today. Today, I got my boy here in the seat. He's looking kind of rough, that's probably like a 2-week growth that he has. But we're gonna execute a high taper on him. Right now, he's trying to let his sides grow in and everything, so we're not really gonna do anything with the top. Just a high taper with the beard. I'm just going to show you guys the steps of my high taper. So first what I did is just comb down everything, and then here I'm putting my first guideline in, which is the bald guideline. I kind of like doing the arch because it kind of gives more of a burst effect, and I get a lot more compliments with those type of tapers. But I would tell you guys kind of just it varies on what client you have. Second step, I go in with my lever open. As you guys can see, I take it up about, almost an inch, halfway. And you see me closing the lever and kind of just hitting at that line. So the line can kind of basically just disappear and blend in all nicely. Next step, I always go with my one open. Every single thing I use, I like using all my guidelines, making them with an open lever. So here I go with my one open. I take it up like about an inch again. And I know you guys see them curls that are kind of in the way. You guys will see here what I do with them. And so I'm closing that lever as we go. And then you guys can kind of see the line is disappearing. There's just a little line right there that I kind of just hit with my open lever. I knew with his hair, I don't always have to use that half guard. But if it was another client, I would be using a half guard. Every client's hair texture is different. And this is the curls I was telling you guys about. So what I did is just basically clip over combed it. Since he's letting the sides grow out and everything, I try not to take off too much. I'm just basically blending everything right in. Same steps from one side to the other is what I basically do, and same thing I repeat in the back. But here again, bald guideline, do it with an arch. But what I would say is, like, if you're a beginner barber or anybody just trying to get tips and tricks, I think, me personally, I got really comfortable with my steps. So I kind of execute every haircut with the same steps, just depending on the client's hair texture. But there I go again with my lever open, closing as I go.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Put my one open. And what I basically do, so I don't create a hard line, I flick as I go up. You guys can kind of tell I'm flicking as I'm going up. And see, on this side, I did use the half guard. And yeah, I'm just closing as I go to try to make the line disappear. And then those curls again up there, basically clip over comb them again, so I could just blend it all together since he's letting his hair grow out. But I know it's been a long time. I'm trying to get back on this YouTube grind. I'm trying to put at least one video out a week, even if it's a tutorial, vlog, or something. I'm just trying to put things out here. I enjoy doing this, but I know it's me being busy in the barbershop. I'm trying to make videos and content makes it a lot more difficult. It feels like a second job. just because I have to sit down and kind of look through all the content as I edit. But repeating the same steps in the back, bald guideline, and then I go in after that with my lever open. Same steps. Like I keep saying, whatever I did on the side is what I did in the back. But going back to what I was saying, I'm really trying to get back on these YouTube grind. I want to execute a plan with the YouTube and what I really want to do. I really want to help people kind of build in the barber career or industry the same way I'm trying to build myself as well. But yeah, here we are with the half guard, just hitting that line. Sorry, the camera kind of keeps going in and out, just trying to focus. But I know you guys see the blend is coming together and it's smooth. You guys can see me, I'm flicking at that line because I'm not trying to create a harsh guideline since he's letting the back grow out as well. So I'm trying to flick at the hair so it kind of blends in together. And bear with me, guys. This voiceover thing's kind of weird listening to myself all the time, but I'm trying to get better at what I'm doing and kind of explain to you guys in a simple way to do these haircuts. But here I go, I'm in here detailing. I was going in with my lever open.
Damn it, Tito.
And then on the side of the hair, since I know you guys see all them curls popping out, I kind of just go with my one open at the very end of the hair. So when I go line up around the ears, the hair is not just sticking out or going over past the ears. Because I'm trying to give them that crispy line. Make sure that haircut kind of just stands out. Hopefully, like, these steps and everything's kind of helping you guys out as well. Bear with me, guys. As time goes by, I will definitely get better having these voiceovers. But you see me brushing the hairs down, making sure everything's just laying down so I can create that nice crispy line. And then here, we're going to the lineup. My client was telling me that he wanted his lineup kind of taken down a little bit. So what I did, I went in with my one open and just kind of closed it little by little to kind of get that nice full look. I didn't want to take it down too much. And then when it comes to the lineup, I like going from the middle to my left hand side and then from the middle again to my right hand side. And when it comes to fades and lineups, the way I like doing it, I like making the haircut stand out the same way as it would if it would have some enhancements on. My bad, I just really can't speak right now. I know you guys see that crispy line. Going back in, making sure everything's nice and precise. Making sure his lineups is nice. No hairs are kind of sticking out. Just everything is supposed to be how it is. Then here you guys see me stretching his skin, straight razoring everything, making sure everything's nice. And then here's the after. Let me know what you guys think. Appreciate you guys tuning in and watching this video. But without further ado, keep a good mood and stay smooth.